Constitution of India. Part 2. Citizenship. Article 8. Rights of citizenship of certain persons of Indian origin, residing outside India. Notwithstanding anything in Article 5, any person who or either of whose parents, or any of whose grandparents, was born in India, as defined in the Government of India Act, 1935 as originally enacted, and who is ordinarily residing in any country, outside India, as so defined, shall be deemed to be a citizen of India, if he has been registered, as a citizen of India, by the diplomatic or consular representative of India, in the country, where he is for the time being, residing. On an application, made by him therefore to such diplomatic or consular representative, whether before or after the commencement of this Constitution, in the form and manner prescribed by the Government of the Dominion of India, or the Government of India.